Hey, Danny here. Old clip of this Turbo X from the old shop. Coming with a burning smell. Customer was scared the car was going to catch on fire. It smelled horrendous. So the vacuum switch for the vacuum pump would stay on all the time. So the pump was always running and it burnt out the pump and it was like melting and you see the part here, the connector for the pump.
Does that stink or what?
Yeah, it does.
Yeah. You think Greg can get a point for that?
Oh yeah. That's oof, it stinks. Gotta wear a gas mask. So, like Patrick was saying,
Right
this.
there. That's a good picture. Don't move it. Stop.
Yeah, no, I'm videotaping.
Oh, okay.
Patrick was saying that this, he heard it running the other day, even when the key was on. It's only supposed to run when it needs to apply, when the car needs more vacuum.
Because it has low boost because it's a turbo.
So it was running constantly, so it was just burning it out. That is definitely the smell. Yeah, it's tough.
I'm fucking shivering.
You ate a lot.
Huh?
Get all that food.
I'm gonna put a coat on. I'm fucking cold. That is fucking fried. That's a Saab fix of the week right there.
Yeah, there's supposed to be 3 wires.
Yeah.
So this switch caused that pump to burn out, this is the new pump and plug. But the switch, when the key is turned on, this pump is turning on, but it's not. So the switch is broken. It's only supposed to turn on when the engine's running and when it needs help for the vacuum assisted brakes. They were worried enough that they had their own fire extinguisher.
If you're